MAC address. So far, we have been learning how a Ethernet frame works and how a layer 2 switch operates using simple terms as source address equal to A and destination address equal to B or C. This has helped us focus on the behavior of switches, how they learn MAC addresses, how they flood or filter frames, and how does MAC table works. Now that you have a clear understanding of these core concepts, it is the perfect time to zoom in and see what exactly does a MAC address look like. In this lesson, I will go over the structure and format of MAC address. And by the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding on how it looks like, how it is represented, what is its length, and also what is the special MAC address used for broadcast address. A MAC address is 6 bytes or 48 bits in length. It is divided into 6 equal parts. Each part is of 1 byte and each byte is separated by a colon. 6 bytes and each byte separated by a colon. And MAC addresses are represented in hexadecimal characters. How many? They are represented by 12. How come they are represented by 12 is something that I will derive and explain. So we have these 6 bytes or 48 bits, each separated by a colon. Let us break down these 8 bits into further 2 parts of 4 bits each, like this. Now remember, in the lesson for hexadecimal numbers, I had mentioned and demonstrated how for each hexadecimal character we need 4 binary digits. Just to recap, this is the table that we had observed during that lesson. Each hexadecimal character has 4 equivalent binary bits. Okay. So taking a clue from that, we can say that each of these 4 bits can represent a hexadecimal character. So we can say this is the first hexadecimal, this is the second hexadecimal character, third, fourth, and so on till the 12th. Okay, so we can say the MAC address is made up of 12 hexadecimal characters. Okay, now to the question of what exactly is a broadcast MAC address and how do we derive it. Okay, we derive it by setting all of the 48 binary bits to ones, like this. And again remember, 4 bits are required for a hexadecimal character. Now let's take the 4 bits and find the equivalent hexadecimal character. And we get F. So we replace the 4 ones with an F. And similarly do the same for the rest of the remaining bits and get replacements. And this is what we get. So in a sense or in summary, we can say 12 Fs is what is used for representing a broadcast address. So this would look like this. Okay. All Fs. All the 12 hexadecimal character, if they are set to F, that means you are having a broadcast MAC address. Okay. Don't get confused between all Fs and all ones. If anybody asks you what is the broadcast MAC address, you have to tell all 12 hexadecimal characters are F, all Fs. Or if there is somebody is asking you in terms of binary bits, then it is all ones. All 48 bits are ones. Okay. Now to summarize about what we learned in this lesson about MAC address, It is 6 bytes or 48 bits in length. It is divided into 6 equal parts. Each part is separated by a colon, and each of these bytes is represented by 2 hexadecimal characters, in all 12 hexadecimal characters. And finally, for broadcast MAC address, we use all Fs. All the 12 hexadecimal characters are Fs.